We are Dexian, in the business for good.
I now invite Dr. Srivali Krishnan, Senior Program Officer, Global Development at the Gates Foundation, to share her insights on the future of agriculture. She's been an academic powerhouse, an innovator, and someone who has dedicated her career to making a meaningful solutions to reach the right communities.
Thank you so much to several of you who have traveled from far and wide to be here together with us today. I just wanted to take a moment to go back to our to the memory lane when Kumar, Venkat, and Satish and myself, we traveled to the to Patna, to the Vikas Bhavan, and saw some writings on the wall of a whiteboard that actually gathered the insights of the crop coverage, how much of crops have been damaged by flood, all written on a whiteboard by the Secretary of Agriculture, Government of Bihar. That insightful moment actually sparked the starting of what you see as a culmination today of Bihan, which has been transitioned over to the Government of Bihar and now lays the foundation for the next generation of digital farmer services as well as AI-layered advisory services going forward. This has been a true journey, not with a very smooth one too. When we started off in March 2020. And for everyone in the room here recollects how that particular time and moment was actually that rattled not only the country but also globally with COVID. Despite COVID and lockdowns and all sorts of disruptions that were posed during that time, we were able to work with Dexian, deliver the Bihan as well as the dashboards to the Government of Bihar in record time of 12 months. That's a job well done. Let's give a round of applause to them. That started the laying of the foundation of the confidence of the public sector system on what data-driven decision making can do and how can data be powerful enough to drive transformation in a sector that has long lagged the agriculture sector in the country. With a growth of less than 2% and other sectors really taking over, this was an opportunity for us to prove that technology can really transform the sector in a meaningful and powerful way, but also in a way that also makes sure that youth in the country are interested in doing agriculture. Rarely would you see a farmer say that he wants his kids to be going back to agriculture. But now we see that kids are actually helping their parents download the app, put in a request for a service, or use the AI chatbots on some of these apps to actually converse and ask questions. This is the future where technology can actually drive a sector to a next level globally. I'm glad here that several of you who are here today are not only thinking of what we can do today or tomorrow, but for the next decade in the agriculture sector. We are at a point in the time where AI and delivery services have completely transformed the way that we think and we use the technology. Thinking of it, a couple of years back, who would have thought that ChatGPT becomes a household name? Or generative AI is a topic of conversation of two people sitting on a bus journey together. Now that is the reality. Going forward, what we see is this is going to be transformative and probably more from generative AI going to actually AI start thinking and really helping you to solve challenges that can really solve some real world problems. With these insights, I think today in this room collectively, we are gathering with an experience of more than 10 decades. I would say easily that in this room, we have more than 100 years of experience in tech and industry, which we can put to use for the betterment of the sector in future. With these words, I would like to firstly thank Dexian for agreeing to host this event and also making it a point where we culminate different experts to actually start putting their thinking hats and think of it differently. I also wanted to thank my team, Radhika, Raghav, and Vidushi, for painstakingly making sure that we are getting the best of you and making sure that we really make this event a true success. At this point, we changed the format from a typical panel discussion to an Ignite talk. The whole idea was that we will ignite your thought process and we will think of what if. What if that we are thinking of not a homologous way, but something that is actually going to transform the journey exponentially. To this effect, we start off today with a brief look back journey where we start from how we started from Bihan to the digital farmer services as well as the AIEP program. And then I would request my friend Jagdish Babu to talk about how we are really talking about networks in the digital agriculture space. We would then take a break for tea and then we'll come back for those Ignite talks, making sure everyone has an opportunity to share the what if moment. We are going to leave the space open for very candid discussion, what is possible and what is in the what if moment. And my idea here is to make sure everyone is participating and we are not going to leave those, we are going to leave those boundaries outside of this room. So think of it that this is your moment to really put in your thinking caps. Think of yourself as college students who are here with the inquisitive yourself. With that, I would really looking forward to today's whole day and making sure that you are able to connect with the people whom you think have really ignited your thoughts today. So with that, thank you so much and really excited to be here with all of you. Thank you again.
We are Dexian. In the business for good.